How to recover deleted Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippen, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted Telegram account. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now, there are certain reasons why you might want to recover your old account, or you might want to gain access to your previous account. First things first, if the application is accidentally deleted by you or deleted accidentally by the user, and if he or she wants to recover, then the process is absolutely easy. Sometimes the phone apps are deleted by viruses or malwares on the device, so if that's the case, then you can easily recover it as well. Now, if the device is stolen or lost and you don't have access to your account and now you want to recover it, then that is possible as well. However, if you deleted your account yourself by going into the website to delete your account and deleted it manually, then in that case, unfortunately, you won't be able to recover your account. Now, in order to recover account, what you can do is simply open up your Telegram app, tap on start messaging, enter in the country code and enter in your phone number, tap on next, and it'll send a verification code. Now, if you don't have that particular phone number, then unfortunately you won't have the access to your account. What you can do is you can contact your network provider and ask for the same phone number in order to recover your other details as well. However, if your application was deleted by mistake, then you will still have your account information, so you can simply head over to the login page and log into your account normally and you'll gain access to your account. However, if you deleted the account, you won't be able to gain it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.